So today is also a very special day, Dipawali. But to us, its speciality is because Krishna was born by rope on this day. Damodar Leela actually took place on this day. That is our main objective. Prabhupada even mentioned that we are not really that interested in observing Dipawali. What Prabhupada actually meant is that the way it is observed as a Hindu thing. Right. For us it is mostly Krishna's pastime. Another significance of Dipawali also is light, deep, what is the purpose or what is the significance of the lamp. The significance of lamp is that it gives out light. Now what is the ultimate consideration of light? There are two types of light. Material light, that comes from this electric light, electric lamps, or key lamp, or even sun. Ultimate source of light in material nature is actually sun. But that is only a reflection, that is not real light. The real light is Brahma-Jyoti. The real light is spiritual knowledge. So we are more concerned about spiritual knowledge, not so much about material light. But when we talk about light, this Dipawali, it is actually spiritual. It is a location when we should enlighten us with Krishna consciousness. We are showing key lamp to Krishna, but what is our prayer? The prayers are there in the Amdara. That just as Tatha Prema Bhakti Shakam me Prajachha Namo Shekraho Visti Damo